Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to unfollow someone on Janitor AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in janitorai.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official homepage for Janitor AI, make sure to log into your account. From the main homepage of Janitor AI, click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Click on the following option in the pop-up, and then you will be able to see the list of people that you followed. To unfollow a specific contact, click on the following button and you will then be able to unfollow the specific creator. So that is how you can easily unfollow someone on Janitor AI. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.